Hello, my peeps out there, short for peoples. I'm Christine Durfee, and I am a licensed professional counselor, and I thought I would make a few short videos about addressing some mental health issues that are prevalent right now, especially with the quarantine and the coronavirus. During this quarantine time, of course, we're all stuck at home, and it can drive everybody nuts and cause more anxiety, panic attacks, depression, irritability, and so forth. But for today, I want to talk about the anxiety, panic attacks, irritability that is often connected to the vagal nerve. And the vagus nerve is the largest nerve in the whole body, and it is responsible for a lot of the symptoms from those emotional issues. It could be clenching the jaw, palmy sweats, the heart beating faster, just the tenseness, the shallow breathing, and so forth. And so one of the ways that I have my peeps address the vagus nerve is to shock it. And there's multiple ways that you can shock it. And there is I learned about this on a link that I will put on here as well. But one of them is doing om sounds. So the om and that vibration of the actually you can feel that. And that's one way. Another one is breathing techniques. The one I want to share with you today is putting a cold compress on the jaw, because the vagus nerve runs right through up the neck and right down the jaw here, and it's most closest to the surface right here. And so how I explain to families I work with is one way to make this comfortable to put a cold compress on the jaw there is to take a clean sock, and you put rice in it. And so you just put some rice in this clean sock, like so. And try not to spill it, so I'm putting it over like that. And then just put a rubber band over the top of it. Super simple, but it gets cold and it's palatable. So it will actually mold to the jaw right there. Okay, so now what I have found, because my husband uses this too when he's having some anxiety, is that this particular sock is a bit thick, but you can I can spritz water on it and throw it in the freezer, and so it gets it gets colder that way. Because of the thickness, it's not as cold as we would like it to be, and you can tell the difference because the anxiety or the irritability should start going way down as it shocks the nerve. The other thing too is just for fun, you can put essential oils in it as well if you enjoy those. But anyways, this is a big help. A lot of my peeps have been using this, and they do report that it's very helpful. So I thought I would share it with you all, and feel free to just pass this along.